watch. Někdo vezme.
It started off in 2004. I went to Brogan High School. I seen a teacher with a crooked jaw. I wanted to put her straight. She bounced in the school gate with foot on the kebabs. Sha-la-la-la-la. She only got me a singing music. I thought that she could do better cause I fucking wanted it. She made me sing a song called My Auntie Sam by Scarlet Letter. She played piano. She thought she was Beethoven. I told her I could play Titanic in only C. I know that I wanted to be a fucking big rock star. She walked round with a double G shaggy bra. You fat bastard. You can't hack it. Cause you're a plastic scouser. You're not wanted in this world. You're a fat plastic scouser. You're not wanted in the world. I'm a scouser because I'm a brickie. You fucking a wall. You never have a chippy. Eating pot noodles and scranning on your toast. You've got fucking bunions fucking hanging off your toes. I know you're a fucking weirdo. I know you're a fucking prick. Just go away and suck some black dick. Yeah. Oh, you are not liked in this city.
Big belly.
You've got a nipple on. You wear the same cardi every day. The same pants and the Reebok workouts.
Reebok workouts.
10 years old and your white socks. Playing on EJ. Cubase was never for me. And your colleague was a twat. She never knew what fairy was. Fucking acapella, what the fuck's that? I just play guitar. You fucking cunt. You're the one plastic scouser, you cunt. You're the one plastic scouser.